Hello everyone, my name is Riya Singh and I'm an equity research intern at INSEC Solutions. Today I am completing my course and my internship as an equity intern at INSEC. And in this video, I would like to conclude what I have learned from all these modules during my internship period and training period. It all started with some really basic things like how can one become equity research? How can one become equity research analyst or executive, and how is the journey ahead when you chose the path of equity research? What is the demand of equity researchers in the industry? So it was very basic, and I'm glad that the course started with these things. Further, we went through ratio analysis, time value of money, which is a very, it is one of the pillar of finance, the time value of money. We learned that, and then we went into ratio analysis, security analysis, technical analysis, including mutual funds and interpretation of different kinds of funds we used to have in our market, in our financial market in India or outside. Then it slowly went to some deep knowledge sections like investment banking, and it was not like all the modules are very fast paced or very slow paced. For the freshers or beginners like us, it was perfectly paced. The speed and the knowledge we got was perfectly paced. And then it went through stock market analysis, which further included technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and understanding the financial statement. And after understanding financial statement, how to do financial statement analysis. And we were given live projects, which is a very, very important and attractive and amazing part of this module. We were given live projects, we were giving demo that how can we cover those live projects. We were given TCS and Infosys financial analysis, then coming to industry analysis, and then giving some assignments on these technical or fundamental or financial analysis part. It helped, the assignments we got helped us to practically use the knowledge we got and during the in the modules. And then further it went through equity research, preparing equity research report, and understanding what are the important criteria we need to consider while preparing an equity research report. And I must include that all these technical knowledge also included building our interpersonal and communication skills, because there were personality development training as well, presentation skills course as well. So we were taught presenting things, we were taught communicating effectively. It includes financial modeling and merger and acquisition, and it ended with venture capital and private equity learning. I practically implied I prepared like 15 to 16 reports, and the whole journey was very good for me. Thank you so much INSEC Solution for this opportunity.